Today I'm going to do something really special and fun. About a month ago, Doubletree hotels, they're owned by Hilton, they gave away their formal recipe for their chocolate chip cookies. And if you've ever stayed at a Doubletree, you know how special that is, because you go and you check in for your room and they hand you this wonderful bag of warm cookies, and you go up into your room and you just feel so cozy, like you're at home. Well, today I'm sharing their recipe. I'm Stacy Archer, and this is 7 Plates. To start, you're going to take 2 sticks of softened butter. To that, you're going to add 3/4 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, and then 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Go ahead and get that all mixed up until it's nice and creamy. Next, you're going to add 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and crazy, but a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. I think that's the secret here. Then go ahead and mix that up again until you're ready to add your dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, take 2 1/4 cups of flour, only put in 1 cup at a time, and then add to it a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is also a really cool ingredient, and then a teaspoon of kosher salt. Add in 3/4 cup of rolled oats and go ahead and mix away. Go ahead and add the remaining flour. Make sure it gets combined and all the ingredients are ready for the next step. Now you're ready to add 2 2/3 cup of semi-sweet morsels and 1 cup of toasted walnuts. Stir that together and you're ready to go ahead and put the cookies on a cookie pan. Put the cookies in a preheated 300-degree oven and let them bake for 30 minutes. Well, that's the easy recipe to Doubletree's secret chocolate chip cookies. And you have to eat them warm, just like they serve them to you. Now, before I bite into one of these, I want to share with you something that surprised me about this recipe. I've made the Toll House cookie recipes. I've made all sorts of chocolate chip recipes before. This is the first one that called for lemon juice and rolled oats. I don't know if that's the secret, but there's nothing better.